Yeah, hi, I'm at 41 Edgehill Drive.
I'm sorry, what was the numbers on Edgefield or Edgehill?
41 Edgehill Drive. And I got a guy, a dark-skinned guy with dreadlocks. Okay, he has like a flannel shirt on.
You said 41 Edgehill?
41. I'm bit excited.
413 Edgehill, and there is a male, white, black, Hispanic, or Asian?
He's black with dreadlocks. He looks like he's a transient.
Okay.
And I told him to leave, and he pulled out a gun.
Is he still there?
Looked like a black semi-automatic gun. Yeah, he's in front of the trash cans. I told him to leave, and then he asked me, "You leave? I'll leave. I want you can leave." And then all of a sudden, I saw a pistol in his hand.
Okay, is he still there?
He might be out there still.
LA City 911, operator 438.
Hi, I just was called about a guy who's walking around with a gun, and I then saw police officers are looking for him, and I don't think they see him, but he just started walking up Degnan, just north of King, and I just wanted to get that information to them.
Deadman?
Degnan, D-E-G-N-A-N, just north of King, and I just saw him driving in the other direction. North of Martin Luther King, yeah. And he's
Martin
walking
Luther
up
King,
Degnan.
right? Not King.
Yes.
Okay, one
right,
second.
sorry. In Oakland, they say King.
Hey, come here. Hey, take your hands out of your pocket, bro. Take your hands out of your pocket, bro. Take your hands out of your pocket. It's not a gun, bro. Hey, drop it! 5-7, officer needs help, shots fired, officer needs help. Bronson or
All units, officer needs help.
gun right here. Hey, stop reaching for it! Stop reaching! Stop reaching for it! Stop reaching for it! Don't move! Don't move! Hey, drop it! 5-7, officer, shot fire, Get on the fucking wall! What's that in your hand? What's that in your fucking hand? Oh. What is? No, you said find a gun? Huh? Hey, drop it! Drop!
At the low ready, nice and slow.
Yeah, let's just start setting up a whole.
We're gonna have to handcuff him, roll him over and handcuff him. Roll him over and handcuff him. Go hands on. Somebody secure the gun.
Shit!